ಈಗ ಕಚ್ಚಿದೆ ಈಗ ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾವುದು ಸರ್?
ನಾವು
ಕಟ್ನಾವಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ಇದು ಕುಕ್ರಿ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಹಾಂ, why it is called as banded kukri? Because it has Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. I have been called in for a rescue from St. Paul's High School, which is in Rajiv Nagar first stage. The caller stated that when the particular cleaner who usually cleans the classrooms and corridors and all, that particular guy who was cleaning the area just outside the classroom, he spotted a snake just behind the dustbin. And he stated that the snake has bands over it, so it could be either wolf snake, common crate, or banded kukri. So let's head towards the place and rescue the snake. ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾವುದು ಸರ್?
ನಾವು
ಕಟ್ನಾವಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ಇದು ಕುಕ್ರಿ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಇದು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಸಂಚಾರಿ ಯಾವ ಇದು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಉಲ್ಫ್ ಸ್ನೇಕ್ ಅಂತ, ಅವತ್ತು ಹಿಡ್ದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಜನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧಾರಣವಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ನಾವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೊಡೆದಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ವಿಷ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ.
ಅದು ಕಟ್ನಾವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಕಟ್ನಾವಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ಕುಕ್ರಿ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಕಟ್ನಾವು ಕಪ್ ಕಲರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಪ್ ಕಲರ್ ಬಂದು ವೈಟ್ ಪಟ್ಟೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಚಿ ಕಲರ್ ಬಂದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪಟ್ಟೆ. ಒಂಚೂರು ವಿಷ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಕಚ್ತಿರೋದು ಒಂಚೂರು ವಿಷ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಗಾಬರಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಚ್ತಿರೋದು. ಪಿನ್ಗಳು ಚುಚ್ಚಿದಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಲೈಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ. Rescued this common kukri, completely non-venomous, and it is a nocturnal snake. Usually people get confused with this snake with common crate, and unfortunately they kill it. Got the massive bite. ಈಗ ಕಚ್ಚಿದೆ ಈಗ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಬೇಡ, ಬರೀ ನೀರು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಕೈ ತೊಳೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಬಿಕ್ नहीं होता है, रत्ती भी इसमें जहर नहीं इसमें. Hey guys, I've come here to release the common kukri which I rescued from St. Paul's School. Usually common kukris are nocturnal, like they usually found during the night times, and they are active during the night times, and they are completely non-venomous. And this particular video, it bit me, like it gave me a nasty bite. But I just wanted to inform you that, you know, since it is a non-venomous snake, so it's nothing to worry about. And usually snakes bite us to, you know, to get out of from our hands, and they get defensive, and they are more scared than what people are when they see the snake. So let's release the snake. So here's the common kukri or the banded kukri. They come in light patchy greenish color and black bands. You can see the coloration and the bands which are running all over its body, the black bands. And I'm lucky that no, the snake is still and it is showing off its the beauty. Let me push it so it, okay, there it goes. Oh, it's wonderful. Guys, I just released the common kukri. I just wanted to, you know, share a few things about banded kukri. Why it is called as banded kukri? Because it has hind teeth which is enlarged and sharp like a sword, and we have a sword with the name as kukri, so it is named after that particular sword or a knife, because it has sharpness and the curve and the shape of that particular teeth which a kukri has. It is very similar to the knife or the sword what Gorkhas use, and they call it as a kukri knife. So this is why we call it as a banded kukri. See you in the next rescues.